Good morning, my fans. I have something very important to introduce to us this morning. I just discovered, I dey settle relationship problems. Both the singles, the boyfriend and girlfriend, and them married. Hint me up. I just get the certification in never tey. The certificate. I be consultant now for relationship issues. Yes. It no matter how I take get the certificate, even the one certificate we get for school self, na computer print am. This my own too, na computer na print am. So I get am. I dey certified. I fit tell you wetin to do and wetin not to do. If the relationship like make it dey violent or make it no dey violent, I dey capable. So now my digit with this, you go just call me now 070-355-74350. Now my digit with that. Just call me. As work no day, they say make we diversify. So like say my talents don't just showcase in never tey. So I say make I introduce them to the public. Charity begins at home. So my friends and family, we I know say when they get problems, I know they won't tell us, but at least now, I don't know say when a person they inside the business. Make when they call me a beg. I will do justice to the relationship. No worry, just call me. I will do justice. Thank you very much. I know say I go call me, no good say. I know say I will call me. I know they charge plenty, sha. I know they charge plenty. Just call me. Yeah? Una do. Thank you.